Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. Ted Keys, your host and top freight agent training expert here in Southern California. If you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. The next attachment reads, remember when you're calling when your prospects and customers, do you blame or take responsibility for your actions? You decide. Do you blame or take responsibility for your actions? Now, if you take responsibility and you realize, hey, what did I do wrong in this process? Or did I do anything wrong? Or was my prospect just not ready for me? Again, most freight agents, they make 1, 2, no more than 3 calls, okay? But when you're on your 4th and 5th call, just realize if they don't give you the opportunity, they're just not ready for you. However, your reaction to it is the most important thing, okay? Do you blame somebody else? Do you make excuses? Or do you take responsibility? And again, by taking responsibility, it could be anything, all right? Hey, the guy's just not ready for me yet. That's taking responsibility and accepting it, and then you saying, I'm gonna call him next week and ask him the same question. Because remember, nobody has ever reached through the phone and grabbed you, hit you, whatever, yelled at you. Well, they can yell at you over the phone, but this is all part of the process. And I can't express how important it is that you remember this. And if you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Again, great topic today. Thank you so much for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. I will see you all again next Tuesday, same time, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time on my Tuesday conference call. Pleasure talking to you today. Take care. God bless you all. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call.